This fish has a see-through head, and it's 100% real. It's called the barrel-eye fish, and it looks like something from another planet. Instead of a regular skull, its head is transparent, like a glass dome. Inside, you can actually see its brain and its glowing green eyes. Yes, those are its real eyes, and they're pointed straight up. Why? Because this fish lives over 2,500 feet deep in total darkness. It floats in the pitch-black ocean, watching for prey above. When it sees movement, it swims up, and boom, dinner is served. Its weird look helps it survive where most creatures can't. No light, no warmth, just cold, crushing pressure and mystery. The deep sea is still mostly unexplored, and animals like this prove we haven't seen anything yet. Nature is terrifying, fascinating, and sometimes completely unbelievable. Would you swim with this thing? Let us know in the comments.